Trying to figure out if pest control companies actually work and how to get rid of bugs without a headache? So, here's the deal. Pest control pros know their stuff. They can spot what kind of pests you're dealing with, which is huge because you don't want to waste time on the wrong treatment. They use a mix of chemicals, traps, and smarter methods that focus on stopping pests for good instead of just a quick fix. You gotta remember, these folks are trained to handle pesticides safely, so your kids, pets, and home stay out of harm's way. One big tip is to look for companies that offer ongoing maintenance plans. This isn't just about killing bugs now, but making sure they don't come back. Also, keep your place clean and fix any cracks or spots where pests sneak in. It helps a ton when combined with professional help. If you hire a company, follow their advice closely and don't try to skip steps. That's how you get the best results. And don't forget to ask about their methods to make sure they're using eco-friendly or low-toxicity options if that matters to you. Pest control isn't a one-and-done deal. It's about keeping your home pest-free long-term. One of the biggest screw-ups people make with pest control is picking companies based only on price. Cheap doesn't always mean good, so check reviews and credentials first. Another common mistake is ignoring follow-up treatments or skipping maintenance plans. Pests love coming back if you let your guard down. Lastly, some folks try to DIY everything without knowing the right products or techniques, which can actually make infestations worse or cause safety issues. To fix these, always choose a trusted, licensed pest control service, stick with their recommended schedule, and don't hesitate to ask questions about the process or products they use. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors for everything from pest control to remodeling, making the whole search way less stressful. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their services, so everyone wins.